Halos matae mga kababayan sa inis itong reporter na ito nung in-interview niya si Professor Malotikia mga kababayan dahil ayaw niya tanggapin mga kababayan ang mga puntos ni Malotikia. Gusto niya mga kababayan ipagpipilitan niya. Gusto niyang nunukin na lang ni Professor Malo mga kababayan ang kanyang gusto, which is bending the law mga kababayan, katulad na lang na kung ano ang nakasulat sa konstitusyon mga kababayan, dapat 24 ang total ng senador. Ang sabi niya, hindi dapat yan. Dapat kasi kapag kulong, deducted na. Pinagpipilitan talaga yan mga kababayan. Ang sabi ni Malotikia, hindi yan pwede. Dahil yan ang nakasulat sa konstitusyon. Yung inyong mga interpretasyon, sa inyo lang yan. Ayaw talaga niya. Ayaw talaga niya. Halos nakipagdebate pa siya mga kababayan at patawa-tawa pa na parang pinapalabas niya na walang alam si Professor Malotikia. Ang buisit na to. Nag-interview pa mga kababayan. Ayaw na maggalangin ang mga punto ng kanyang ini-interview. Sana in-interview na lang niya ang sarili niya. Panoorin niyo po ha.
What are you sniffing?
What are you
even the
sniffing?
list of witnesses, di ba sabi?
Ano daw naaamoy ni Malotikia mga kababayan?
You are mirroring our witnesses, but that's essentially a strategy to
Hindi nga mirroring ang term ng mga prosecutor mga kababayan ng Luistro. Kinukopya daw sila. Ang kakapal ng mga pagbumuka, kinukopya daw ang kanilang mga witnesses. Gusto na nila kanila na lahat ang witness mga kababayan. Pati na yung hindi paborable sa kanila, kinukuha nila. Pati na Mereglis Piatos, yung sinapak daw mga kababayan ni VP Sara, pati si Powa, kinuha na nilang witness mga kababayan sa mga prosecutor, ang mga buisit. Tapos nagagalit sila dahil bakit witness din daw ni VP Sara yan?
bank and assail. I mean, imagine if you're going to present former Senator Trillanes and Mr. Matiaga, and that they will also be the witnesses of the defense.
Ayan mga kababayan, magkakalat na naman yan.
It's essentially to assail them. So, you have to stand on what you swore in terms of the affidavit, and that was used by the prosecution. So, this is interesting.
This is interesting. Pwede ba lang sapilitan ang mga witness mga kababayan kahit ayaw nila? Di ba yung si, ano nga ba yun? Mike Abe, hindi. Abe Andres. Sounds like Mike Abe, pero yung sinapak na sheriff ni VP Sara mga kababayan, tumanggi na siya I will not participate in that partisan activity. Tumanggi na siya maging witness mga kababayan, pero nilista pa rin siya ng mga prosecution. So pwede pa lang sapilitan?
Sparks were made on the first day. Sparks continued on the way they appreciated the documents. And then the questioning of the witnesses, the fact that there are general and vague witnesses. So those are already tactics being laid out. And to be fair, the House appears to be very prepared with their introduction video.
yung pa slow motion pa no. May gana pang mag-produce mga kababayan ng ganyong video na paik-ik mga kababayan gamit ang pera ng taong bayan. Pustahan tayo. Milyon siguro ang gastos doon mga kababayan sa production nilang pa-video-video. Na sina Luistro, slow motion, sinasaba dilima mga kababayan, halos sa kumain na ng saba. Slow motion.
And the pressers almost periodically, whereas the defense chose to remain quiet, logically, because they should not be able, they should not be able to say the plans.
Yeah, and we do know that they have boxes and boxes and boxes of documents on this, the House.
Yan, duda din tayo dyan sa mga dokumentos sila mga kababayan na yung karamihan dyan wala nang silbi. Ang kanilang ginagawa, lulunurin lang nila mga kababayan ng mga dokumentos ang defense ni VP Sara. Textbook harassment mga kababayan.
As I was saying, we spoke to Attorney Lorna Kapunan this afternoon.
Isa pa yung neregla.
She is, of course, one of the private prosecutors on the defense side. Ang sabi niya,
Neregla daw tapos 70 years old, neregla pa ba? Ang tanong ng mga netizens, saan ka neregla? Baka sa puwet ka neregla. Almoranas, baka Almoranas na yan.
the prosecution side is probably calling around 57 witnesses, whilst the defense is
57?
calling about 29 witnesses. The funny thing she said there is that out of the 29 that the defense is likely calling, 25 are common with the prosecution. And she says it's weird kasi pwede naman i-cross-examine ang witness ng prosecution. Bakit kailangan ilagay din yung name sa...
Well, that's a tactic. And I mean, Attorney Kapunan should not be surprised. She's a trial lawyer.
Mga ano din yan mga kababayan, may something din. Tingnan nyo na lang itsura mga kababayan. Typical anti-Duterte na makakaliwa na yung mga kakaiba na rin mag-isip mga kababayan.
So, if you bring in a witness who can be assailed, then the whole thing drops, right? The whole case, kind of go haywire, and that is not probably to the interest of the prosecution.
So the idea there is to assail
Yes.
the witnesses. The
Assail
same
the
Assail.
witnesses, assail their
So, ang ibig sabihin ng assail mga kababayan, parang yung inatake. To attack.
attack the
affidavit.
credibility.
Attack the credibility.
And if that works, then the whole case. Remember, I think there's a question on the confidential fund. Piatos.
Nakakatawa, no? Big deal sa kanila ang confidential fund ni VP Inday, samantalang halos lahat ng mga executive, mga kababayan. Si VP Sara under yan sa executive dahil vice president. So mayor, governor, presidente, vice presidente, mayroon niyang mga confidential fund talaga. Lalong-lalo na mayroon silang programa. Pero ngayon, wala na purely vice president na si VP Inday. Pero nung nandun siya sa mga kababayan, DepEd at NTF-ELCAC. Take note ha, NTF-ELCAC si VP Inday dati ha. So mayroon talaga siyang confidential fund. So bakit siya lang mga kababayan ang tinatarget ngayon dyan sa issue ng confidential fund? Samantalang ang may pinakamalaking confidential fund is si Bangag.
They're saying they have a witness named Piatos. Good luck.
Sige.
Because that's a nom de guerre.
Nom de guerre. Paano nila isusomon yan mga kababayan? Na pwede nga na yung Mary Grace Piatos mga kababayan is pangalan ng kanilang operation Piatos Mary Grace. Hindi yan necessary tao mga kababayan dahil that is a part of confidential fund.
And when you use that, you'll probably cross the line on confidential fund and aliases.
And then mga kababayan, posibleng gumamit sila ng mga agent or yung mga confidential agent from AFP na solely mga kababayan mga insider yan sa mga nagbibigay, naniniktik mga kababayan sa NPA. So kung malalaman yan ng mga makakaliwa dyan sa Kongreso, so paano na yan? Papatayin ng mga NPA yan mga kababayan na dapat protected yan ng gobyerno, yung mga agent dahil yan ang nagbibigay ng info sa mga masasamang binagbabalak ng mga teroristang yan.
They have that SALN from Vice Mayor. They debated that from Vice Mayor to
From
Vice.
Bakit umabot pa sa Vice Mayor mga kababayan? Yung Vice Mayor pa siya, sinali. Tapos yung issue na sinapak si Sara, sinali. Kahit pa na mga kababayan, sabi na nung tao na si yung Abe, ayaw ko mag-participate dyan, that is a partisan. Sinali pa rin siya.
President. Vice Mayor and Mayor are not impeachable offices. So technically, you're just talking of 3 years, not 19 or 20 years. That's
Pati nga yung ang mali nila din mga kababayan, pati yung hindi pa kasal sina VP Inday at si Mans Carpio. Sinali nila mga kababayan. O paano na yan? Isang maliwanag na paglabag.
Point 3 is on the conditional threat. Conditional threat is something that is hard to prove unless they bring in that person who they claim was commissioned by the vice.
Tapos ang sabi nila, assassin daw. Sinabi ba ni VP Sara na assassin? Never niya sinabing assassin. May kinausap lang siyang tao. Sila ang mga kababayan na nagbansag na assassin.
President to do.
Maybe they
Yes.
found
So,
him or her.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You
Pero
know,
yung SALN, they have it all the way, up to 20 years.
Yeah.
But the ones when she was already a vice president apply.
yeah, just the 3 years. So why are you using the time during when she was vice mayor to mayor?
I guess just to show a pattern.
No, show pattern. Anong kilalaman? Tapos, magkakalkal na sila mga kababayan ng kung ano-ano. Kagaya na yung sinagnawa nila Trillanes. Noong panahon daw, mayroon daw mga depositong ganyan. Nagpapalusot lang mga kababayan para gumawa na bagbend na naman ng law. Kung ganyan, lahat na. Dapat pati lahat ng mga opisyalis ng gobyerno, gaganyanin din.
there.
What
right?
pattern?
Of
Those are not
increasing-
impeachable offices.
Pero malayo ka sa SALN as we saw during the
Malayo, tingnan nyo kay Bangag.
House
Sa
Justice
sweldo, kasi ang
Committee.
sweldo ng Vice Mayor at ang sweldo ng Vice President talagang magkaiba. So doon
Pero may
pa lang,
negosyo
malayo
naman.
na. So
May
yung
negosyo
claim mo
naman
ng,
siya, mga kababayan.
illegal wealth, etc., will also go to the, to the flush because those are not impeachable years. So,
Regardless
basic. So,
talaga,
makikita mo, pahina ng pahina, yung
Bending the law. Yan ang explanation.
kaso ng House of Representatives. And then, now they're
Pahina ng pahina at patanga ng patanga.
introducing new evidence which was not
Yeah.
alleged during the substance and form period. So,
But that was always their argument that they have more evidence. Of course, some of it you will save for the trial
it is
proper.
not in the
Nakakatawa.
affidavit.
But it is enough. Kasi yung sa Justice Committee hearing, you were not looking for proof beyond reasonable doubt. It was a much lower
Yeah,
threshold,
but that is
right?
not the role of the House of Representatives.
Yeah.
That's the role of the trial court.
Correct.
So,
You wrote a column arguing that this is well, sorry, let me shift to the Senate now because it's related. You wrote that the Senate, what's happening there is a succession war designed to find a more pliable candidate
yes.
for 2028.
Yes. And
Talk us
Succession
through that.
war.
Why do you think so?
because if you are able to convict the Vice President, then the incumbent President, can choose from the House of Representatives or the Senate who will be the Vice President. So, of course, Senate President Gatchalian is very much interested to that. There are certain representatives in the House who are interested.
Ano yan siya
And that alone, the
ambisyoso.
succession defines 2028. If I am taken and confirmed by both chambers to be the Vice President succeeding Vice President Sara Duterte, then I am more competitive as a successor. The problem with our presidential system is that every president has to take care of the succession. Unfortunately, some do not want to get involved with the successor leader, because they will be staking, and if you do not have an endorsement power, your candidate, whoever you will anoint, will suffer. I.e., Gloria Arroyo and Gibo Chodoro. So those things have to come into play, and every president must now reckon with who will be my successor.
Let me be blunt and connect the dots here. You're saying this is BBM's way of
Babangag.
anointing his successor?
Yes, by getting whoever he will anoint as vice president in replacement to Sara Duterte, and getting both chambers to confirm. Two things. The president can nominate from any of the House or Senate, but both chambers will have to confirm.
Of course, of course. But that's many steps ahead. First, we have to get through an impeachment trial. And let's not forget, mataas ang threshold to convict.
Yes,
Oo, pero ang gagawin nila magbebendalo sila, mga kababayan, na magpapakulong lang ng magpapasuspend ng mga senador.
I know there's a lot of debate right now on what the number
there's
is.
that school of thought that it can be a carrot for anyone who is interested to go national.
Is it? A
Yes, because they're talking of conviction already, when in fact it's very hard to
But
get that
exactly,
conviction.
Whether it's 16 or 15,
It's 16.
It's still may
No,
school
it's always 16.
of thought din na 15.
Oh, nako, wala yung mga 16.
wala.
Nasa Constitution 16.
Sorry, Malu,
Oo.
but yung
Constitution na nga Yung mga speculation, wag nyo nang i-entertain yan. Unless sabihin ng Korte Suprema. So it's always 16. Unless mayroon din sila, mga kababayan, expulsion.
yung people who are in the 15 or 14 camp include former justices like
Scarpio. Tanga yan si Scarpio
kunyari si
Yeah, but
Pilay.
Senior
Davide and
Justice.
Ascuna are for 16.
Mm.
So it's
former
divided.
Saj Antonio Carpio says it's not hard
Carpio
and
nga
fast.
Yan si Carpio, mga kababayan. Basta kontra sa Duterte, kahit may tai yan, mga kababayan,
SP.
na idea, tama yan sa kanya.
Frank Trilon says
I'll go with Chief Justice Davide and Ascuna.
yung term ni former SP Trilon is the two are beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction, meaning the Senate can't compel them to.
Pero may sinabi bang konstitusyon dyan? Ang sabi ng konstitusyon, mga kababayan, of all, regardless of present o hindi, huwag nyo nang
They were not
ipilit.
suspended by the Senate. They were
No,
not
I know,
disciplined by the
yes,
Senate.
but one is under the
Still,
jurisdiction
Huwag kang makipagdebate, host, dahil hindi naman ikaw ang resource person eh.
of the law.
they can find way.
Nag-invite ka dyan para makinig sa kanyang point, tapos hindi mo naman lang tatanggapin. Di, ikaw na lang mag-interview sa sarili mo para mong i-pleasure ang sarili mo dahil pinipilit mo eh.
Case for that.
But right now, isa lang ang maliwanag, mga kababayan. 16 senators of all members of the Senate, which is kung sino ang mga binoto, di ba 24?
Person to vote. They were not disciplined. So that's another area
Senator
that they will.
Jinggoy Estrada is being
Yeah, he's in jail,
disciplined.
but
Senator pa rin, no? Tinawag mo pa nga senador.
he was not disciplined by the Senate. His privileges were not suspended.
The
He was
law-
the one who said,
Dalo, wag ka na ngang
"You can take my salary."
Pinaganyan-ganyan pang tawa, mga kababayan, na as if na hindi nakakaintindi si Malutikia. Ikaw ang hindi nakakaintindi, ang midyang bulok.
You can do
Yeah.
whatever, but
But does
Bat. Pag-disagree ka, pero wag mo nang wag mong ipakain ang gusto mo kay Malutikia. Gusto niya, mga kababayan, na sasabihin ni Malo, ay tama ka. Mga bulok na to.
the law not supersede internal Senate parliamentary rules?
no,
Because
a member has to be disciplined.
no, but the point is
No. Nakipagdebate pang ungas,
he's in jail.
Yeah.
Kaya nga, he is in jail, but still, he is a senator. Isa lang solusyon dyan, kung gusto nyo talaga, expulsion muna. Kagaya ni Kiko Barsaga, na hindi na, mga kababayan, tinutulungan na namin kayo, na hindi na siya senador.
And he is stripped of
Ungas ka talaga. Kahit sa jail nga yan,
his
senador pa rin.
legislative
beyond. He's not
responsibility.
beyond.
So how can the Senate compel him to attend?
Talk to the Sandigan Bayan and allow him for law to vote. There are so many ways to do that.
Dati si former Senator De Lima tried that. The Muntinlupa RTC denied it.
Oh, but
because
still you can try it. It doesn't mean it's the decision will be carried. There's several wild cards actually on play, and we cannot really finally say this one is the hard rule. But these are all live cards that we need to consider when you go to the threshold. And I think that
Bakit? Iba kasi yung kinadilima, mga kababayan, hindi kasi yung impeachment. Ang sinusunod nila doon ay yung mga regular na session, mga kababayan. But this impeachment, mayroong special law, mga kababayan, na 3/4 of the Senate, of all members. Hindi lang ito basta-bastang ordinaryong session.
would be one of the decision points of the impeachment court to lay a clear definition on the threshold.
you don't agree that each tribunal gets to decide their own rules. And the
Yeah.
Constitution says,
Because
Sabi na nga ng
Constitution is
Constitution,
clear.
yes, the Constitution is clear.
2/3 of all
Oh, I'm
members.
talking about something else, but 2/3 of all members. But yung
But, ang tigas na mukha nito,
the word
no?
all is not the thing that's in contention here. I think everybody agrees all is all. But I guess the crux is
Crocs, crocodile. Crocs yung mukha mo. Kasama siguro ka sa Crocs.
which members are considered able to participate at a given point in time is the other legal argument.
Wag
behind
go-
it.
Tanga. Of all wag kang gumawa ng labag sa konstitusyon.
Back to the debates of the Constitutional Commission, it was very clear. 2/3 of all.
Of all. Pero sige, hayaan natin, mga kababayan. Kung gusto nila yan, tapos pagdating ng panahon, babutata na sa Korte
I
Suprema.
didn't say 2/3 of those who are
So, mali sila
present.
Saj Carpio.
Well,
and
I'll
SP
take,
Trilon.
as I said, I'll take Davide and Ascuna.
Tigas na mukha, no?
By the way,
Tigas na
Justice
mukha.
Ascuna, we spoke to him a few weeks ago as well. He said at that time, this was shortly after Senator Bato was the warrant came out and that day, that fateful day in the Senate happened, sabi ni Justice Oscuna, because the Supreme Court denied the TRO petition,
Oh, isa na naman yan sigurong bendang
the
dalo.
authorities are legally allowed to arrest Bato. Do you agree with that as well?
No, because I would rather wait for the full decision of the Supreme Court on that issue. They just ruled on the TRO.
Yeah.
They
Not the merits of the case
rule
yet.
on the issues.
But his reading was because the TRO
Bending dalo na
itself was
naman.
rejected, then
Yan kasi ang mga pinagtatanong ninyo is yung mga dilaw. So anong maaasahan yung sagot kundi kabaliwan din mga kababayan?
authorities are free to arrest him.
If they can locate him.
So, do you know where he is?
No, I don't. Mayroon
Baka-
yan, ha?
baka
Baka
ma-quote ka.
mamaya yung mga NBI, no?
Oh.
Baka ma-quote ka doon.
Oh, no. I don't know where he is.
The issue, well, we could keep going back and forth between
Dahil hindi ka nakakaintindi ungas ka.
with the magic number of 16, but
Halos matai siya mga kababayan sa pag-i-insist, no? Na gusto talaga niyang ipalunok kay Malotikia mga kababayan ang kanyang baluktot na pag-iisip.
ultimately, I guess, because it's sui generis,
Impeachment
the
is.
Senate has to decide amongst themselves,
Yes,
diba?
yes,
I mean,
even the presiding officer, I think, is still up in the air.
we hear,
There's the Escudero and there's the Senate President insisting.
What do you think of Senate?
I would go with Senator Escudero
Because
because he's a lawyer.
Kami gusto namin ng gusto naming mabutata sila. Mas paborable nga kung si Soto mga kababayan dahil walang alam. The more walang alam mga kababayan, the more magkakaroon ng gusot na later on ma-exploit mga kababayan ng kampo ni VP Inday para mapadeklarang unconstitutional.
You know what is very, very important in the impeachment, as we've seen in previews, the presiding officer has to rule on the spot. He has to break the impasse. He has to call your out of order.
Si Sherwin Gatchalian, walang alam niya, no? Ang talagang perfect mga kababayan is Senator Alan Peter Cayetano talaga, no? Kaso lang, titrabaho nila by hook or by crook, ginawang by crook mga kababayan. Tingnan nyo, pati dyan mga kababayan, ninakaw nila ang leadership ng Senado, ninakaw nila. Mga magnanakaw talaga, no? Nako mga Marcos Magna.
Order. He has to say, in so many years ago, this is the decision, blah, blah, blah. That is jurisprudence. Unfortunately,
Tapos, bakit 1948 ang kanilang pinagbabasehan mga kababayan na matagal na yung obsolete na yung 1948 na jurisprudence. Mayroon ng Kurikong Constitution mga kababayan na 1987 which is the more updated at yan na ang sinusunod natin. So, yung kanilang mga kababayan, site na 1946, kopong-kopong, obsolete na yan.
Senator Win does not have that depth in terms of jurisprudence and law. He might be very good in numbers, very good in,
The
a
budget.
policy wonk. But when it comes to impeachment, you really need a lawyer there.
Walang alam. Kagaya mo, reporter ka,
people say that he's not the right person to preside because si Senator Cheese because of forthwith, the issue over
Yeah, but
forthwith.
the forthwith was settled by the Supreme.
tama naman mga kababayan ang forthwith na hindi na talaga na ngayon mismo, kundi sa makatuwirang panahon. Settled na yan.
Court, let's move on.
Oo nga, no? Move on na, girl. Itong reporter na to, no? Parang ikaw na lang siguro mag-interview sa sarili mo. Ayaw mo maniwala sa iyong, hindi naman kailangan maniwala ka. But kung ano ang sinabi ng iyong in-interview, tanggapin mo ng that is na opinion nga yan. Huwag mong ipilit ang opinion mo, ungas. Otherwise, huwag ka nang mag-imbita. Walang etiquette itong ungas na to, no? Kapag dilaw mga kababayan, hindi sila magtatanong ng ganyan na critical mga kababayan. Kapag dilaw ang kanilang ini-interview, lalong-lalo na yung mga sina Dilima, sina Adyong mga kababayan, sina Saba, sina Luistro. Tango lang yan ng tango, yung mga ungas
You
Do
na
you
yan.
think he's the best person?
Yeah. Unfortunately, he had some
You can disagree, but do not insist on your nonsense.
problems with, but when it comes to really presiding and calling it as it is, I think I'd a good night's sleep with Senator Escudero there.
Can we have a real conversation about what's at stake here for him? That day that he just turned up to plenary and became the swing vote. What do you think? Because the now majority also say that was a surprise for them. They didn't
Yeah.
know he was going to turn up.
I was also surprised by that.
Alam na natin kung ano ang mga kababayan, istorya niyan Takot magkakaso yang si Chiswiz.
Do you think there was horse trading that
Yes.
happened here behind
Natural.
the scenes? And what's on the table, on the line for him?
Yung liberty, ang liberty.
Cases will not be filed,
Tingnan nyo, di ba? Di ba? Hinog na daw ang mga kaso nila. Bakit hindi pa nasampa ang mga kababayan? Case. Wala pang warrant of arrest. Siyempre, hindi nasampa dahil
Things
bumaliktad.
will not be opened, insertions will not be looked at. That's
But
the reality of politics. The carrot and stick is very, very definitive
Carrot
when
and
it comes to what is happening in the Senate and also in the House when they were able to get bigger than 1/3 people, legislators signing the impeachment. So the carrot and stick is
257.
yes. That's
Dahil yun pala, hindi sila natakot sa backlash dahil may binabalak palang mga buang mga kababayan na wala ng eleksyon. Kaya pati yung si Eli San Fernando mga kababayan na nanggamit, kamanggagamit, hindi na kamanggagamit, pina-impeach si BP Inday. Tandang-tanda pa natin ang itsura nung mga kababayan, yung San Fernando, INC na nawagan mga kababayan na wag nang ituloy ang impeachment laban kay VP Sara. Sumali pa yung ungas na yan, si Eli San Fernando. Nagpunta pa yan doon mga kababayan. Only to know later on, pina-impeach niya si VP Sara, kamanggagamit.
bigger than the first.
Can
diba?
you carrot and stick 257 legislators?
Yeah, you can do
That's a
carrot
lot.
through incentives and stick to cases.
Parang naman that's ultra the superpower already.
No, that's how they are.
With the so
Dinidepensahan niya, Visit na itong reporter na to mga kababayan, Tapos parang na-irritate mga kababayan kung hindi a-agree si Malutikia.
you're saying that they might drop the cases against him.
Wala nga, hindi nga tinuloy. Anong ida-drop?
I think they already dropped 3.
Wala.
I mean, he even announced. That's why I was saying,
yung na-drop
why
was-
announce it? 3 out of 5
Yung
were...
na-drop was the one on campaign
Yes.
finance.
Pero yung plunder, na yan ang critical mga kababayan dahil wala yung piyansa, wala na. Kinalimutan na.
Campaign donation, but later on, George Garcia, the COMELEC chair, said, we're looking at
Puro
it again."
mga angas,
So,
George
And even
Garcia.
yung kay Joel Villanueva,
Sabi niya, hinog na daw.
most people would say, oh, wala na yan. Then all of a sudden, the ombudsman was saying, no. We're going to see through it. So I don't know if that was a right move by the two. Certainly, they got burned.
They
Their
got banned.
reputations got damaged. But, that's how politics is in this country.
How
How di Carabao.
do you think it's possible at all
Batotin.
for them to drop such big cases? I mean,
Yes.
remember the case with San Joel is one of the first ones
Bakit ayaw mo maniwala na na-drop nga? Kung hindi yung na-drop, kulong na yan sana. Buisit talaga tong animal na to,
that they
And he was one of the
Bulag-bulagan, Bulag-bulagan, mga kababayan,
first who
Together
said
as
as
a
early
case.
as 20, I think something, delivered a privilege speech in the Senate and was saying, I was the first who called. Now you're suing me. So,
But he wasn't the first who shone a light on the flood control issues in Bulacan.
he was.
It was Senator Ping.
No.
No! 2023 pa si Villanueva, mga kababayan. Matagal na yan nagpuputak.
He was. Ping was 2020. Today, 2026, I think 2020.
Oh, last Congress pa si Ping Lacson, ano pala yan yung gusto niya mag-blue ribbon. 2023 pa ata, nagpuputak na yan si
Before he
Villanueva.
was already, Senator Villanueva was already talking about it.
I will check that.
Yeah, I will check that. Paano ka naging reporter? Hindi mo alam.
I want to continue this conversation. Unfortunately, I'm being told to wrap up.
Oh, wrap up kasi wala kang kwenta.
But we will bring you back a little later, this time to talk about FIMI, Foreign Information Manipulation. I forgot the last interference? Interference.
Interference.
Thank you for now, Malutikia.
Oh, shut up.
She will be joining us again a little bit later.
Idiot.
What are you